Stop fighting your tools. If your workshop feels slower than your ideas, today fixes that. We're diving into 20 new woodworking tools on Amazon that turn frustration into precision, mess into mastery, and average builds into "how did you do that" moments. Fair warning, once you see these, your wish list is in serious danger. Makita Cordless Microwave. Yes, a cordless microwave in a woodworking video. And once you see it, you'll wonder how you ever worked without one. The Makita Cordless Microwave, priced around $700, is built for job sites, workshops, and anywhere power outlets are a myth. It runs on Makita's battery system and heats food fast, evenly, and safely. No generators, no extension cords, no excuses. Long builds, late nights, cold lunches? Gone. This thing is rugged, spill-resistant, and designed to survive the same abuse as your power tools, because refueling you matters just as much as refueling your workflow. Work smarter, eat warmer, stay unstoppable. Precision Miter Trimmer, Infinity Tools. Tiny gaps ruin big projects, and that's exactly what the Infinity Tools Precision Miter Trimmer eliminates. At roughly $170, this tool is all about surgical accuracy. Perfect for trimming end grain, dialing in miters, and sneaking up on flawless joints without touching a power saw. The heavy-duty base keeps everything rock solid, while the razor-sharp blade slices clean instead of crushing fibers. Picture picture frames that close perfectly, boxes that don't need filler, corners so tight they look CNC cut. This is the difference between almost right and absolutely perfect. Makita 24-inch Articulating Hedge Trimmer. Woodworkers with outdoor projects, this one's a beast. The Makita 24-inch Articulating Hedge Trimmer, priced around $350, delivers serious cutting power with precision control. The adjustable head lets you attack awkward angles without twisting your wrists into knots, while the long blade chews through thick growth like it owes you money. Brushless motor, low vibration, long runtime. Clean cuts mean less tear out, less fatigue, and faster cleanup, whether you're shaping landscape features, trimming shop greenery, or handling outdoor builds. Control, reach, and power, exactly where you need it. Leigh Isoloc C-Joint. Joinery doesn't forgive mistakes. That's why the Leigh Isoloc C-Joint, priced around $120, feels like cheating in the best way. This precision-engineered connector locks panels together with insane accuracy, keeping everything aligned during glue-ups and assembly. No shifting, no slipping, no panic when clamps come off. The design distributes pressure evenly, giving you tight seams and professional-grade joints without wrestling your workpiece. Cabinets, panels, furniture frames, this tool keeps everything exactly where you intended, because strong joints shouldn't depend on luck. Profiler Plus Scribing Tool. Walls aren't straight, floors aren't level, and the Profiler Plus Scribing Tool at about $80 knows it. This tool copies irregular shapes with pinpoint accuracy, letting you transfer curves, angles, and uneven surfaces directly onto your wood. Adjustable locking pins hold their position, so once you trace it, it stays traced. No remeasuring, no second guessing. Perfect for countertops, trim, built-ins, and custom fits that actually look custom. When wood meets reality, this tool makes them get along. Microjig Automatic Center Finder. Finding dead center shouldn't feel like a math exam. The Microjig Automatic Center Finder, priced around $40, instantly locates the exact center of boards with zero measuring. Just press, mark, and move on. It works on a wide range of stock sizes and delivers repeatable accuracy every single time. Perfect for dowels, drilling, hardware installs, and joinery where alignment matters. Fast, foolproof, frustration-free. This is one of those tools you'll use once and never put down. Laser measuring tool. Tape measures lie, walls bow, corners cheat, and that's where the laser measuring tool, priced around $60, takes over. With instant distance readings, area calculations, and long-range accuracy, this tool replaces guesswork with hard numbers. One-button operation gives you fast measurements across rooms, sheets, and layouts. No helpers required. Clear digital display, compact size, job site-ready durability. If you measure more than you cut, this tool pays for itself fast. Cen-Tec Quick Click Dust Separator. Sawdust doesn't just make a mess, it kills efficiency. The Cen-Tec Quick Click Dust Separator, around $120, captures debris before it ever hits your vacuum filter. It snaps into place fast, keeps airflow strong, and dramatically extends the life of your shop vac. Less clogging, less cleanup, more cutting. If your shop looks like a snowstorm every time you sand, this is the fix. Clean air, clear floors, better focus. Ruitool 10-inch Japanese pull saw. Pull saws cut on the pull stroke, and once you try one, there's no going back. The Ruitool 10-inch Japanese pull saw, priced near $21, features a razor-thin SK5 steel blade with double-edged teeth for both fine and aggressive cuts. The flexible blade tracks straight, while the long handle gives you control with one or two hands. Cleaner cuts, less effort, zero tear-out. Beginners love it, pros swear by it. This saw makes hand cutting feel smooth, fast, and oddly satisfying. Old-school dowel maker and tenon cutter. Perfect dowels on demand. No store runs, no compromises. The old-school dowel maker and tenon cutter, priced around $90, transforms scrap wood into perfectly sized dowels and tenons in seconds. Just feed stock through, and it creates smooth, round joinery pieces that fit like they were factory-made. Multiple sizes, hardened steel cutters, clean, repeatable results. Chair builds, furniture repairs, and traditional joinery suddenly get a whole lot easier. Why buy dowels when you can make better ones? Mini 3D Multiangle tool. Angles don't have to slow you down. The Mini 3D Multiangle tool, at about $15, is a compact aluminum angle measurer that handles everything from 0 to 90 degrees with speed and precision. It locks firmly in place, marks cleanly, and survives shop abuse without losing accuracy. Lightweight, rust-resistant, ridiculously useful. It's one of those tools that lives on your bench because it works everywhere. Measuring angles just became painless. Milescraft 1225 Compact Router Subbase. Routers are powerful, but control makes them great. The Milescraft 1225 Compact Router Subbase, priced near $20, expands stability and visibility for trim and compact routers. It rotates 360 degrees, supports mortise work with included pins, and fits most popular router brands with universal mounting. Smoother starts, cleaner edges, better control. If routing ever felt sketchy, this subbase fixes that fast. Your router just got a serious confidence boost. Makita 15-pound AVT Demolition Hammer. When concrete says no, this tool says watch me. The Makita 15-pound AVT Demolition Hammer, priced around $1,100, delivers massive impact power while keeping vibration surprisingly low. Makita's anti-vibration technology reduces fatigue, so you can work longer without wrecking your arms. High-impact blows, durable build, controlled handling. Perfect for breaking slabs, removing tile, or tearing through stubborn material without losing control. Heavy-duty destruction done the smart way. Makita 40V Max XGT Belt Sander. If surface prep eats your time, this tool gives it back. The Makita 40V Max XGT Belt Sander, around $450, combines aggressive stock removal with cordless freedom. The
The powerful 40V system keeps belt speed consistent, while the balanced design delivers smooth tracking and controlled sanding. Less chatter, better finishes, faster results. From leveling tabletops to shaping hardwood edges, this sander works as hard as you do. Big power, zero cords, serious control.
Makita Portable Power Pack PDC 1200. Batteries are great until they die. The Makita Portable Power Pack PDC 1200, priced near $2,000, is a wearable high-capacity power source designed for extended runtime. It supports multiple tools, balances weight comfortably, and keeps you working where outlets don't exist. Remote jobs? Long days? No interruptions. This pack turns cordless tools into all-day machines. Power freedom unlocked. Makita Smart Robotic HEPA Vacuum. Imagine cleaning your shop without stopping your work. The Makita Smart Robotic HEPA Vacuum, priced around $900, automatically navigates your workspace, collecting fine dust, debris, and allergens while you focus on building. The HEPA filtration captures ultra-fine particles, improving air quality and reducing cleanup time. Smart mapping, obstacle detection, quiet operation. Your shop stays cleaner, safer, and easier to work in without lifting a finger. Let the robot handle the mess. Makita 18-volt brushless pruning shears. Clean cuts shouldn't cost you sore hands. The Makita 18-volt brushless pruning shears, around $700, slice through branches effortlessly with a powerful brushless motor and hardened steel blades. One pull delivers precise cuts with minimal effort, making them perfect for outdoor builds, landscaping, and property maintenance. Fast, smooth, surprisingly powerful. If your projects extend beyond the shop, these shears keep you moving. Power pruning without the pain. Slipstick bench grippers. Your bench shouldn't slide, ever. The Slipstick bench grippers, priced around $20, lock your bench firmly in place while absorbing vibration. They install in minutes, protect your floors, and instantly improve stability for sawing, planing, and sanding. No movement, less noise, better control. It's a small upgrade with a huge impact on safety and precision. Sometimes the simplest tools make the biggest difference. Makita Direct Connect Inverter. Power doesn't always come from a wall. The Makita Direct Connect Inverter, priced around $1,300, converts Makita battery power into clean, usable AC electricity. Plug in lights, chargers, small tools, or electronics anywhere, job site, backyard, or remote build location. Quiet operation, zero emissions, serious flexibility. This turns your battery ecosystem into a mobile power station. When the outlet disappears, the work doesn't stop. Trend Belfast Sink Jig. Cutting sink openings is stressful unless you use the right jig. The Trend Belfast Sink Jig, around $200, removes the fear from cutting precise sink cutouts in countertops. Adjustable guides lock everything in place, ensuring clean, symmetrical openings every time. No wandering router, no ruined slabs. Designed for accuracy, built for repeatability. Whether you're installing farmhouse sinks or custom counters, this jig keeps everything sharp and professional. Measure once, cut with confidence. That's it. 20 new woodworking tools on Amazon that upgrade speed, accuracy, power, and sanity in the shop. If even one of these tools made you rethink your setup, hit like, subscribe, and share this with someone who loves building as much as you do. Because with the right tools, even your toughest project starts feeling possible.